Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook chicken with marinara sauce. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. Chicken, 1 kilo chicken. I marinated with salt and black pepper. Okay, and then 2 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, 1/3 cup onions, and then 2 large garlic finely minced, this one, and then 1/2 teaspoon salt, and then black pepper, and then 28 ounces tomato sauce, this one, and then 2 teaspoon balsamic vinegar, this one, and then 1/4 teaspoon sugar, this one, and then 1/4 dried oregano, this one, and then 1/4 red pepper flakes, this one. Okay, so then we're gonna mix it all together. Okay, we're gonna mix it all. Mix it all, and then we're gonna warm this one later. Okay, and after this one I'm going to fry the chicken. So, ato sa ni i-fry ang chicken. Ang kala na lang. Done frying. Okay. Okay. So, it's okay also guys if you are not going to mix it first. So you're gonna saute the garlic, the onions, and then add all the ingredients. But me, I add all the ingredients already, so I'm gonna warm this one. Guys. We're gonna boil that one first. Our marinara sauce is done. So we're gonna mix it, guys. Okay, guys. We're gonna mix it na. Oh, see? Okay guys, so that's it. And then, okay, so this is our chicken with marinara sauce. It's done. Okay, and now it's tasting time. Okay guys, so I'm gonna taste it. This one. Super hot. That's very crunchy, guys. It's very crunchy. Okay, guys. That's our chicken with marinara sauce. It's super yummy. It's done, and then thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow for another recipe.